こんにちは. Welcome to Campanase Japanese. I'm Mei. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce the W consonant sound, as in wa. Campanase Japanese. As I mentioned in my intro video, there are three things you might want to keep in mind when you learn consonant sounds. Number 1. Voiced or voiceless. Number 2. Where the sound is produced inside the mouth. On this, check out my place of articulation video, the link in the description box below. Number 3. How the sound is produced inside the mouth. On this, check out my manner of articulation video. The link is also in the description. About the first point. The W sound is a voiced consonant, meaning your vocal cords here vibrate. Wa, wa, wa. Next, about the second point. Take a look. The place of articulation for this sound is the soft palate. The tip of the tongue lightly touches the gum ridge behind the bottom teeth. The middle back part of the tongue is raised towards the soft palate. Did you notice? This is exactly the same as the U vowel. Remember this. For the W sound, you make the tongue position of the U vowel. Wa, wa, wa. Finally, the last point. The W sound is a semivowel. As the name implies, semivowels are literally like vowel sounds, but shorter and more transitional. For example, when you pronounce wa, you first make the U tongue position, but not fully pronouncing it. Then the tongue quickly moves on to the A vowel sound. Take notice. For the Japanese W sound, the lips are not rounded, not like this. Wa, wa, wa. But like this. Wa, wa, wa. Now let's practice pronouncing wa. Connect the W sound with the A vowel. Repeat with me. Wa, wa, wa. Alright, now let's practice pronouncing wa using some real words. Repeat with me. Kawa, kawa. Wani, wani. Washi, washi. One last thing. Both hiragana and katakana are sets of phonetic characters, so it's quite important for you to be able to associate a sound with a corresponding character. So check out my hiragana playlist. Also, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. So check out my Patreon page, the link in the description box below. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。